Hey guys, it's GTOFFES Mayhem, and today, well, we're in GTOFFES in the snow. Here to check this out. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. I've never seen this before. Wow, GTOFFES in the snow. They should have this more often. This is cool. Woohoo! Oh, God, I have not driven this flying car in so long. I broke my window. It's like $7,000. Oh well, that's what Morse Mutual is for. Am I right? But wow, this map looks great in the snow. Oh. Like in the comments if you think Rockstar should add this more often. Oh, it's kind of hard to see though. Oh, wow, pretty cool. It's like a winter storm, guys. Took over Los Santos and San Andreas. Oh, and Blaine County. Whoa. I wonder if the train has snow on it. I don't know. Shit. I don't even know where I am. That's how much the snow covers this map. Damn. Oh, now I know where I am. I'm near Trevor's house. Trevor Phillips. I wouldn't fuck with that guy, let me tell you. Oh shit. Whoa. That's pretty cool. You know, it has pretty good traction for snow. I don't even have off-road tires. Maybe that's not edited in though. I don't know. I wish you could go in the characters' houses online, but you can't. It's bullshit, I know, but what are you gonna do? Oh, that's cool. That is... No, wait, that's not Trevor's house. Yeah, it is. No, yeah, it is. All right. Shit. I like how all the trees have snow on it too. I wonder how hard that was to do. Guys, what would you do if GTOFFES was stuck like this forever? There was no way to take it off. Would you guys hate it and not play anymore? Or would you still play? I know I'd still play. There's no way I could take my hands off GTOFFES. No homo, no. I ain't about to gay shit, no. Oh no, man. You know, the water should be frozen over and I should be able to drive over this lake. Where's that Rockstar? Oh, maybe GTOFFES 6 though. Oh man, that would be fun. GTOFFES 6. You know I'm doing videos on that when that game comes out. Hopefully it's soon. Guys, I'm gonna time lapse for a little bit so you can see all of the map covered in snow. Oh shit, wait, I forgot about this place. There's like this door here on the side of the mountain that I found. Shoot. Can you go in this? Is this a bunker? No, it's not a bunker. I don't know. Shit. Oh well, back to time lapse. Haha. Woohoo! Oh shit, I fell down the fucking mountain. That's not what I wanted to do. Oh, I wanted to see the mountain from an angle, and I fell down the fucking hill. And I still can't get my wheels off the ground to turn on fly mode. Son of a bitch. You fucked up my flying car. This is a $4 million car, if you include upgrades. Oh, you bitch. Oh, yeah. The snow has pretty good traction. I don't think they did anything with that. No, feels exactly the same. It kind of feels like the rain a little bit. Maybe I'll give you that, but it's not that hard. Some people are saying it's so hard to drive, and they're complaining. I don't think it's that bad. I think they're just being pussies. Oh well. Haters gonna hate. Oh. Oh. I think that's pretty much it, guys. I haven't shown much of the city, though. I'd say it's pretty great. I like the update, but it'll be gone in March. So don't get too attached, guys. Don't get too attached. Sorry, guys. Real quick, just showing you the city in the snow, too. Yeah, I like the update, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys have a great day. Go enjoy the GTOFFES in the snow while you can, guys. March 1st, it goes away. It's great, though. I like it. It's a little cloudy, but, you know, it's the snow. It's winter time, motherfucker. It's Santa Claus time. Alrighty, guys. Have a great day. Adios, home doggos. You gotta be fucking kidding me. I'm getting beat up by a pussycat. A fucking pussycat. Oh, come on, fucker. Let me go. Let me go, damn it. I can't believe this. I can't even see my own character. Damn it. Haha. Run away, pussy lion. Run away. Oh, shit. No. Stop it. You're scratching me up. Ow. Oh, I'm gonna have you sent to the pound and be put down, you bastard cat. Oh, you bastard. God, what an asshole. I can't believe this shit. Just let me get up. Walk away. I'll let you walk away now, kitty cat. That's it. That's what you get. That's what you get. You're an asshole. That's what people get when they're assholes. Yeah.